Hi, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Today we are going to be making whipped coffee using Starbucks instant coffee. My best friend works at Starbucks, so I'm sure she'll really enjoy this one. Basically on TikTok, a lot of people are making this like foamy looking coffee, and it looks like, I don't know how to explain it. It looks like whipped cream, but it's coffee sitting on top of like milk creamer, and it's like in a pretty little glass. So I have the recipe on my computer sitting right here, and I'm going to basically follow it along to make this fancy trending coffee. If you're interested in watching this video, then just stay tuned. Okay. So we have the ingredients. We have our instant coffee. I have a whisk, I have hot water, sugar, a bowl, and we're gonna get started. I think while I whip this coffee, I'm going to talk to you about how I've been losing my mind in quarantine. Oh my gosh. 5 minutes. How are these people doing this for 5 minutes? That's what I don't understand. If you've tried this, please let me know. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to whip this for my whole rest of the morning, and when I'm done, I'll be back. So I'm actually really shocked. Look, it's actually getting kind of foamy. It looks kind of like whipped poo, but and it's only been a couple minutes. So imagine how foamy it's gonna be after 5. Hello everyone, still here, still whipping. It's coming along. I think by the time I actually have this coffee, it'll probably be 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I won't be able to drink it. But it'll be a beautiful, beautiful piece of artwork. Stay tuned. I'm sweating. My arm hurts. There's actually like, I just can't believe that I didn't use an electric mixer, but I think this is about as whipped as it's gonna get. I'm tired. My arm hurts. I just want some coffee. Look. It's pretty whipped, right? I mean, how much more whipped does it need to be yet? I feel like if it's staying in here like this, that's pretty whipped, right? Let's make this beverage. Okay, so I got some creamer. I've got ice in a cup, and I'm gonna pour the creamer in. Okay, that's a lot of creamer. Oh well. And then I'm gonna take my whipped coffee and put it on top of the ice. Probably should have gotten a smaller cup. This looks like crap. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and I'm going to use an electric mixer and try again. Stay tuned. highest. Oh! It's getting everywhere! Now that is whipped. That looks way different than the first one. I feel like, okay, my arm hurts. I feel like the mixer definitely makes it easier than having to like move your arm, but it still takes just as long. Okay, let's add this to the coffee. How cute, look at that. Actually embarrassing looking at the first one I did compared to this one because this is like actually whipped. Let me show you. Look at that. I wonder if I can make this pretty. I mean, you always see like the pretty. Okay, let me add a straw and then we'll try this out. Okay, so before you guys come for me on the straw, my family reuses them, so it's like drinking creamer. Oh yeah. I don't want to say it's worth it because there's a lot of work, but yum. Oh, would I do this again, you ask? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. It took me way too long. And it honestly tastes like, you should probably do milk on the bottom because it tastes like I'm really just drinking straight creamer. And the coffee's not, it's not sinking down or mixing in. And I think it honestly, it just looks cool. That's it. And it doesn't even look cool anymore. Look, it's like a caramel macchiato that doesn't mix. So no, absolutely not. But I did it, you know, I did it for you guys. I did it for the fans at home. Quarantine made me do this. I think I started this at like 10 or 11 and it's 1 o'clock. So yeah, this takes a freaking long time. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you've tried this at home or if you're losing your mind like I am. I'll see you next time. Bye.